Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add family members to ChatGPT. So you can add a family member to ChatGPT by linking accounts through parental controls or sharing access securely depending on age and subscription type. So open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the bottom left corner, then select settings. Now go to the left side and go to the bottom and look for parental controls. Then click on that. Then in here, click Add Family Member and choose to invite via email or phone. So you can select phone right here at the top, or you can use email to add them. So type in their email or phone number, then at the bottom, you can choose this person is my child, my parent, or guardian. So choose one after you type in their email, enter the email or phone number, and send the invite. So they will receive a link to connect their account. And once accepted, you can adjust settings such as time limits, content restrictions, quiet hours, voice mode, image generation, and memory usage. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.